Welcome to the showing of this impressive 3-bedroom apartment located in DIFC Index Tower. And lucky for you, it's for sale. At over 3,250 square feet, it is almost double the standard size of a 3-bed in the neighborhood. We're talking enormous walk-in closets, standalone bathtubs, a bold island kitchen, a study, a bar, and not to mention the panoramic views overlooking DIFC City and all the way out to Arabian Gulf. You're probably thinking this looks nothing like Index Tower, the standard white-on-white finishes, and that's because there is nothing like this on the market. That's right, this very project is undergoing renovations as we speak. And when I say renovations, I mean every inch is being gutted, stripped, and given a brand new face. So are the renderings shown going to be exactly the same as the complete look? The answer is yes. Even the very furniture shown will be included in this very offering. So think Upper East Side of New York or Kensington of London. Modern, sleek, luxurious, and opulent. And it gets even better with this apartment. When purchasing this property, not only do you get a beautiful, gorgeous apartment, you also have access to all the facilities. This includes a pool, a gym, 24/7 concierge, security, 2 allocated private spaces for you, and it's only a 5-minute drive from Dubai Mall and the Burj Khalifa. This is one of the largest and best 3-bedroom apartments I have personally ever listed for sale in Dubai. At more than double the size of the vast majority of 3-bedroom apartments in this prestigious building, it's luxury living at its best. This project is right on schedule and is set to finish by the end of April. That's 2 months from now. So get your checkbooks ready. This is one of a kind, and once it's gone, it's gone. Call me today for this exclusive listing with Espace Real Estate.